So today we're checking out the Onikuma K1 professional gaming headset. Model is the K1-B. It's compatible with all the items here below: Xbox One, new Xbox One, whatever that is, 360, PS4, Vita, PSP, Switch, 3DS. I don't know who's using a headset on 3DS. PC, laptop, iOS, Android. For my use, basically going to be Nintendo Switch, and for PC. Let's check it out. That's all you got in the box. Oh, these are definitely big. What you got? You got a gift card here. We'll choose one. You get another headset, adapter, gift card. Check that out later. Compatibility, we read on the back already. Oh, how to use it on PS4. Not doing that. Instructions. We'll use instructions for a headset. Let's check it out. Oh, it's thick too. Probably great noise canceling headset. It's got a lavalier microphone. It's only got about 95 degree. And by the looks of it, this is always going to be on your left ear, which is perfect. Right there, it's marked L for left, R for right. You got volume control here, sliders to mute and unmute. 3.5mm headphone jack, and the adapter to plug it in when you have your microphone / headset jack on your computer. Check out the size. It fits great. I can't even hear myself speaking right now. So definitely check out these Onikuma K1s.